We present you a new video. We hope it will help you. BMW F10 problem with the air conditioning system. AC compressor clutch repair. A smaller amount of freon in the installation leads to an overheating of the coupling coil, which breaks down. Here's how it can be repaired quickly and with minimal costs. It can be seen that although the air conditioning system is on, the clutch is not engaged. This is the electrical socket. You can measure the continuity with a multimeter. Remove the accessory belt. Remove the clutch. Be careful, it has a spacer washer. Remove the seeker ring that secures the pulley bearing. I used a bearing extractor to remove the pulley. And the clutch coupling coil is fixed with a seeker ring. Remove the seeker ring and the electromagnetic coil. If we measure the electrical continuity, we see that it has a very high value. I identified the position of the thermal resistance. Clean the insulation of the thermal resistance. We check the electrical continuity again. Use a heat source to clean around the resistor. Measure the continuity at both ends of the resistor. Remove the thermal resistance. I tinned a copper wire in place of the resistor. Cover the area with temperature-resistant sealant and electrical insulator. Put everything back together and check the operation. Now it's working. I checked the temperature of the air conditioning system and the result is okay. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. In order, do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.